Today's home tip, Julia, that works with me, sent it over to me and I thought it was a great idea. It's talking about your hot water tanks. That's why I'm down here. You can see that I have 2 hot water tanks. This is my own home. And if you have hot water tanks, it's recommended you're supposed to drain them. I think at least once a year. You should check your manufacturing label. So at the bottom there, all of them have like a little tap there. See that little bottom there, and you're supposed to drain them. Otherwise, the bottom of your hot water tank can get turned into really sludgy and gross and disgusting. But most of us don't do that. But the other thing is, the other recommendation was if you haven't done it and you've owned the hot water tank for years, it's probably not a good idea then to drain it either, because it can probably cause more damage. So if you have a newer tank, try periodically. You should probably be emptying out the hot water and to make sure it's filtered and make sure it doesn't have a lot of settlement at the bottom. But again, if you've owned it for say 3-4 years, it's probably not a good idea to drain them at that point. Check your manufacturer label. Also, if your hot water tank is rented, maybe ask them if they have their the company that rents it to you, what the recommended maintenance plan is for them. Okay.